Panda. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Hey, twisting the bleeding up panda. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the panda. Black 6. Panda. Why does this look like a panda? Going on like Montana. 100 kills, 100 hammers. Okay, so welcome. That's crazy. It's getting crazy here. Okay, I'm just so hyped. I'm making money. My students making money. Cryptocurrency bullish. Everything is bullish. Life is great. I'm grateful for everything. Thank you so much. And in this video, we are going to look at cryptocurrency markets, baby. I need to take a breather here. Okay, so let's go, guys. Okay, so my name is Bullrun, and this video and this channel is all about cryptocurrencies. Okay, and in this video, I want to talk about, the current crypto markets, and I also want to talk about what I have learned. I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so I have now steady like my breath here. Okay, so these are the markets right now. I've been watching. So there's this. Basically, I've been also watching investing and learning about stock investing, basically traditionally. Like not cryptocurrency investing. And some people who have made crazy money on investing in Square and investing in Tesla, for example, these investors are investing on Coinbase. Like they are crazy investing on Coinbase. And Coinbase fee structure is this. They take a lot of, they make 85% of their revenue comes from trading. So people basically comes from fees, and the fees are very huge, but on the Coinbase Pro the fees are not that huge. So they have monetized their business extremely well. But then there's a couple of things that I don't like. I'm saying this because I will wrap it up in a second. Just hear me out. Okay, so Coinbase in itself, the stock, if you look at the I believe it's coin. It's called coin. So yeah, when it was first listed, it was like $400 or something like that. So it's gone down a lot. Okay, basically quite a lot. And that doesn't look much on cryptocurrencies, but on the stock world, it's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, so people who are making a lot of money with like technology stock, with like new company like stocks, are buying Coinbase stocks like crazy. And the reason for that is, now we come to the nitty-gritty, is that Bitcoin is deflationary. So meaning that the purchasing power of Bitcoin will increase in the future. Okay, and that's one of the cases here. And with that being said, they are very bullish on cryptocurrencies, and what they say, these investors, like stock investors, traditional investors, say that those who believe in cryptocurrencies and have researched them understand that we are so early on the crypto space that it's absolutely ridiculous. We are so early that it's ridiculous. If you think about this here, if you look at the top 100 here, no big institution is going to use these currencies. Like straight up, maybe there's a couple of these, and maybe in the future, but at the current state, no. Even if you saw like El Salvador buying cryptocurrency, but if you look like El Salvador population, if you look at El Salvador population, there's only 6.4 million people there. If you look at US population, okay, you can see 328 million. If we look at Russian population, okay, 144 million. You can see already that El Salvador is pretty, if you look at like a world at scale, it's pretty small country. But so it doesn't truly matter if they buy Bitcoin or not. The upside of their buying Bitcoin and making it like a tax haven for investors is only positive. But for these bigger bigger countries, why should they care at this point? They shouldn't. Because if you look at the cryptocurrencies in general, they are not at the mass adoption level yet. You could argue that Bitcoin kind of is. It's a store of value, but at the same time, Warren Buffett says, this is what he says: And I understand he's not a tech guy, but he's a smart guy. He's one of the richest men in the whole world. So when he talks, I listen. I don't care if he's pro Bitcoin or like hates Bitcoin. I don't really care. He's so rich, and so he reads so much about he studies. He has studied history and all this stuff. So, and also Charlie Munger. So what they talk about Bitcoin is that money is scarce, in demand resource. So Bitcoin is scarce and it's in demand. Okay, currently, because it's in demand because it's the resource. The resource, what it first was, it was the magic internet money. It was money, currency of the internet. But now what it is store of value, and no one knows what's going to happen. Is Bitcoin going to be the store of value in the future, like digital gold? If you look at, so also the investors, like the stock investors, like very, very wealthy people say that if you look at millennials, we don't buy gold. What we rather would buy is digital gold. So it's very hard to say like if Bitcoin is going to stay, but if you understand Bitcoin is deflationary, so the purchasing power increases over time. If you look at US dollar, let's look at here. So US dollar purchasing power, you can see that it's just like okay, it's just like it goes down like a lot, like here. You have probably seen this. So this is the purchasing power of US dollar. And it's gone downhill ever since basically dollar stopped being backed by anything. Okay, it used to be backed by metals, but now it's like nothing. Okay, so that meaning they can print in it as long as they want. So these big guys say that nah, it's like this is not the future. But also, who are we to say that Bitcoin is the future? Definitely, I believe in Bitcoin. And I believe in cryptocurrencies. Let's say I believe in people. We as people, we want currencies that governments can destroy, basically. Okay, because for example, like if some for example, there's been crazy on Zimbabwe. There was the inflation, and then there was in Germany. So it was when the German marks. There was so in crazy inflation. And now the Venezuela. So you think about, you have earned hard-earned money from working, and you save it on the bank, and like when the inflation comes, your money becomes like so like it's not fair. It's not fair. Life is not fair, and that's not fair. And that's what like these kind of like digital assets like Bitcoin are. Like that's the problem they are solving. Okay, but at the same time, if you look at like Singapore dollar purchasing power, Singapore dollar is very good currency. Look, you can see here that it's just gotten stronger and stronger and stronger, which is crazy. So yeah, so that's crazy. So yeah, so there are countries that are doing it right and countries that are doing it so well, but I'm not a politician, so I don't really know. I'm just stating my opinion here. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, and I'm just creating these videos and stating what I have learned. Okay, so anyway, that's crazy. So currently the market seems to, if you look at the markets like overall, okay, currently the market seems to, value, like there was this hype cycle on Dogecoin and these kind of Shiba Inu coins and these kind of like things, Chase more and these kind of random coins that don't really do anything. Market is shifting away from those to real project with real value. Okay, you could see this, for example, on well, there's some kind of news coming on Tron, but for example, Cosmos, it happened, and also we see that on Hedera Hashgraph, which is crazy. I love to see this kind of adoption or this kind of like a bull run on Hedera Hashgraph, because I know the investors here. I remember I was about to buy a Hedera Hashgraph on 3 cents. I actually owned some. I don't even know have the wallet anymore. I had like the mobile wallet when it first was released here, somewhere here, because I was XRP community member back then, like hardcore XRP community member, and the digital asset investor got the news that the Hedera Hashgraph, and I believe that he bought some, and I that's why I just bought it. But I didn't really know what it was, so I didn't even sell it. I just don't know where it is. I don't have the address anymore. I don't even know how much I had in it. But look at this parabolic growth here, and I love to see that because these guys hold through. Like, think about somebody bought Hydra Hashgraph here, so he's like, he has worked for the money. It's very hard to like hold that long and just, you know, nothing. Okay, so I love to see that, and people are making money. I love it, and but I don't have position, for example, Header Hashgraph. But Header Hashgraph has like a real utility. It has like partnerships and things going on, but I don't really know. But I just believe that it's one of those projects that has real utility backed. Okay, so it's going up. So that's pretty crazy. So I think that the market is finally going to go to the like real utility route, and I believe that that's going to be the like when the bull run is going to like I stated in many of my videos right now, the bull run is going to, so we basically in 2017 we had the bull run, then we had the bear market, and now we have this mini bull market, and now we have a pullback, and I believe that we will have this kind of same kind of insane growth here. And yeah, it's crazy opportunity to make a lot of money. For example, the founder of Token Metrics invested $20,000 into cryptocurrencies back then and made 5 million. Okay, so currently the same opportunity is for us. And what I have done during all these years, I have just done research, and I have learned the golden ticket crypto. You can't find, this is not top 100 crypto, this is not top 200 crypto, this is crazy. What this is absolutely crazy opportunity. And so this is all the knowledge that I have. I compound it, and I found this cryptocurrency that I believe that will do Ethereum type run up. Okay, so basically I believe that it will come to top 3, top 5, top 10, but in the end I believe that it will do like very huge gains, like I mean absolutely massive. And I will share that in the golden ticket crypto here, and you can find it in the description. I have students there, and we are just making crazy bank there, so definitely join us, and link in description. The opportunity is not going to last forever, so it's opportunity right now, so take action so you don't regret it later, right? So yeah, you can find that there, and see you inside. And the reason I'm giving it for free is because, like I said, I worked for it for so long. It has been a very long time here, so you know, I've been doing this for work for a while now, so of course I'm going to sell it, right? So like, if you go to grocery store, you don't expect to get the cheese for free. I mean, somebody has worked for a cheese, so I have worked for that golden ticket, so I'm just handing the cheese for you, and you can just, you know, trade it. And crazy. Anyway, it's crazy opportunity, biggest opportunity I have ever found. Remember that I found Link when it was 20 cents, and I found Data when it was 7 cents, and both those currencies went like parabolic basically. Okay, so but those currencies I missed out. I didn't buy them because I didn't do the fundamental analysis. But on the golden ticket, I have now done the fundamental analysis. I have done the analysis. I have done everything. I have studied it like relentlessly for like so many hours, so many days, so many weeks. That it's crazy, and I will share that in the golden ticket. So I hope that I will see you there because it's life changing. And thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and thank you so much, and see you in the next videos, and see you inside the golden ticket crypto.